One of the earliest developments of interest was the experiment conducted at the Fire Experimental Unit in late 1987. The Fire Experimental Unit is part of the Home Office and has a large test facility in Gloucestershire for testing nozzles used by fire brigades. Whilst not particularly interested in suppressing wood fires, it presented us with an opportunity to test what was then very much a prototype nozzle and obtain large-scale comparative test data. The British Standard wood fire comprises 3 cribs of selected wood, all laid with military precision. Solvent trays are lit below the cribs and the fire establishes itself. What you're now looking at is a 6 megawatt fire, one of the largest of its kind in the world. Temperatures within the crib are 900 degrees C and at the ceiling 1000 degrees C. We are now approaching the 8th minute, when the fire is at its greatest intensity. It is at this time we will attack the fire with a BP prototype nozzle using air and water. You will see the nozzle mounted on a turntable attached to the end of a remote-controlled trolley. The 8th minute, the spray-on and excellent extinguishment achieved after one sweep. Within 20 seconds the fire is well under control. And on the 10th minute the trolley moves into the centre of the room. Apparently, as would a trained fireman, would wait for 2 minutes at the entrance before gaining access. Now only a couple of small residual fires exist, but for all intents and purposes the fire is extinguished. On the 21st minute the fire is finally extinguished and the nozzle withdrawn. It is interesting to note that of more than 40 nozzles tested by the FEU, ours was the only one to extinguish the British Standard fire. This was a very important start and gave us the encouragement and confidence to continue our development and pursue other applications.